If you love amazing deep ocean car restoration videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so you never miss the next restoration journey.
Submerged for years, the alloy wheel of the abandoned sports coupe is now heavily corroded, colonized by barnacles and algae, slowly dissolving back into the seabed.
Deep in the Atlantic abyss. Harness secure. Systems check complete. Confirmed. Ready when you are, team. Copy that. Standing by for deployment.
All right, bring her down easy now. Holding steady on the port line. Watch your footing on the deck. All right, bring it up slowly. Watch the clearance on the ramps. It's clearing the ramps now. Get the chocks in place. Securing the front chains now. That should do it for the front. Chains tight. Check the binders. All right, let's double check everything before we roll. Steady now. Keep it centered on the ramps. Easy, easy. Watch the left tire clearance. Almost there. Keep tension on the winch.
Removing this compacted salt is critical, but we must ensure the original patina and aged corrosion remain intact for historical accuracy. This is the original factory wiring from the spy coupe. As you can see, the salt and moisture have caused significant oxidation and corrosion throughout the entire floor pan. As the rust converter is applied, the orange-brown corrosion immediately begins to react, transforming into a stable, dark protective layer.
Secure on this side. Take it up slowly. Confirmed. Starting the lift now. Guide it down gently. Watch the bearing surface. It's seated. Readings are stable across the board. Final torque on this bank. Sequence complete. Verified. All right, keep coming down nice and easy. Yeah. Mounts are lining up. Set her down. Okay, that's the final bolt torqued down on the driver's seat. Excellent. Let's check the lateral movement.